Welcome to Top Cars Review.
Initially, the thought of a full-size Range Rover plug-in hybrid, PHEV, with a 4-cylinder petrol engine, didn't make any sense at all. I just couldn't get my head around it. Then, something strange happened. I was creeping through heinous LA traffic in silence behind the wheel of the 2018 Range Rover PHEV, albeit in pre-production prototype form, and the serenity of the cabin started to make me think there might not actually be anything that is more Range Rover than the silence afforded by a PHEV powertrain. What exactly does pre-production prototype mean in terms of the driving experience? According to Land Rover, these vehicles are 95% of what the final production car will be, but that 5% that needs to be finished off, will make a real difference. For example, everything works, including the satellite navigation and electronics, but aspects like the suspension tune, throttle calibration, and transition from electric to petrol propulsion haven't yet been fully dialed in. A feeling of effortlessness, especially in the transition between the two drive modes, is non-negotiable according to Land Rover engineers. A Range Rover is, after all, the pinnacle of luxury within the group. For example, the hybrid system obviously adds a fair wedge of extra weight to the Range Rover, and the suspension system has needed to be re-engineered to compensate for that.